Alright, so this is laundry day. Now, it's Sunday morning at the University of St. Mary, and Sister Nun here. She's got a big morning routine that she has to go about before, attending church. And it all starts off at 6 a.m. It's time to wake up and start the day. And then she gets her breakfast at the calf. Man, she's got to brush her teeth and rinse with some holy water, of course. And then she's got to get in some reps for Jesus real quick, some preacher curls or something. And then she goes on a little cool down run. But oh no! She fell, and now her clothes are all dirty. So she's gotta go do some laundry. And she hates how they always have the laundry room on the fourth floor. She's got to walk up all those stairs. But she did her laundry. Now she's got all clean clothes, and oh man, look at the time. Oh, she's late for church. Oh no. Says she's gotta book it. She's doing a lot of running this morning, and now it's time for it to pay off. She's got to run to church real quick. Let's hope she doesn't fall down the stairs. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, she's falling down the stairs. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, she fell down the stairs and got decapitated, and then her head fell all the way down, and oh. And many say she now haunts the tunnels below the University of St. Mary, so never go there alone at nighttime.